look at that car. It has tables in it.
Oh yeah, that's designed in the car. Heather, this one will be tomorrow. We can even Heather would like sit on the that one.
I think that would be
I
fun.
think so.
Wait, are we going on a train like this?
Yeah, we're going on this train tomorrow.
That one?
Not the steamer. It's going to have a different engine, but it's going to be one like this.
Oh, but it's going to be the same.
Dad's been dreaming of this for years.